guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Janice from the blog mommyplannerista.com, and I'm back with yet another planner video for you guys. During my last video, I did promise that I will share a flip through of my new Filofax Pocket Finsbury, but I decided to delay that for a bit and show you a flip through of this one instead. This is actually the one of the planner lineups of Belle de Jour, which is a local company. And by local, I mean from the Philippines. Just in case you don't know, that's where I'm from. And I decided to do this first because I actually attended the 2019 BDJ launch event this past weekend, wherein they launched their whole line of planners with several activities and workshops for the participants. And because I was invited there as a media partner, they gave me a gold access pass, which included a lot of different perks, and one of those was that I got to pick my choice of BDJ planners. So BDJ actually has a variety of different planners available, and this is one of them. So this is actually their limited edition Belle de Jour Power Planner. There are other covers available. There's the classic one with Bella, the Belle de Jour girl, in front, and then there's a leather cover, and then there's another one that has a different binding. It uses discs similar to that of what you see in the Happy Planners, but I decided to choose this one. Basically because I just like the cover compared to the others. I usually just choose the one with the Bella girl in front, but this time I wanted to do things differently. I really like the design of this one. The texture is really smooth, but there's some, I don't know if you can see it here on the video, but there are glittery textured parts here and there on the front and also here at the back. Okay, so actually you can also see this icon here, and it was explained to me during the event that this actually needs the use of an app called Zappar. So if you use the app and point it to this icon, secret content will actually be revealed. So I got to see a sample of that during the event, and it was really cool. And you don't only get to see it here, there's also secret content also within the pages of this planner, which I will show you later. But let's start here first at the front. So the theme for 2019 is actually Make Today Magical. And so the event really showcased a variety of activities that helps Bellas to make every day magical for them. So now let me show you what's inside of this planner. So the contents of all the Belle de Jour planners are actually the same. It's only the covers that are different. So here for the first page, you just see the personal information page where you can write your name and contact details in case you lose your planner. And then here you get some inspirational quotes. Here is just a message from the Bella team. And then here they tell you how you can be part of their the Bella community. And here are some useful ways on how you can maximize the use of this power planner. It's really very helpful stuff. Here's a place to write your goals and some mood tracker. And this is a dream board or a vision board where you can put various pictures of what you wish to achieve with your life. And this is one of my favorites actually. It's a checklist of things that you can do for 2019. I used to really enjoy taking things off from this list. And the planner also contains some fun stuff like this one, find your spirit animal. And then this is Ikigai, discover your reason for getting up every morning. And here is where you can detail how you want to make your year magical. So it includes writing your power word for the year, positive traits you own, compliments you receive from others, and stuff like that. And then here's where you can put some gratitudes and simple acts of kindness you can do every month. And here, if ever you travel, then you get to color. This is the map of the Philippines in case you guys don't know. So you can color the places you travel during 2019. Here are some helpful hacks. And here, this is what I find really useful also in this planner. It's a menstrual tracker, which is important for us ladies. Here is also where you can put things that you want to try for the year, why you couldn't do it before, and thoughts after doing it. And here is the start of the first month, which is January, of course. And usually the month starts with a short article like this. And here you see it's another icon where you can use the Zapper app to release secret content. And then after this page is the monthly spread. There you go. Then after the monthly spread comes the weekly spreads. So the weekly spread is actually, there are vertical ones from Monday to Sunday. There, as far as I can remember, ever since the first BDJ planner was released, the layout has always stayed the same. So they just changed the design a bit, but it has always been a vertical spread like this with small sections to write stuff such as your goals for the week, BDJ here, make it happen, personal errands, this week's list of other stuff, along with some inspirational quotes on top. So it goes the same for all the other months. Let's see, but they only change the theme, like for February, because it's Valentine's month, it's about love, and they change also the color scheme for each month. Let's see, so it's, the layout is the same until December, and you also get this bookmark. But there's also a magnetic bookmark over here that says make today magical. So after the December section, you can find another fun stuff here, make your own magic spell, and then here's a bill tracker so you can write down your bills every month. And then there are several pages of this cash flow tracker. There. And then you have your emergency information. And then the last page has the 2019 and 2020 yearly calendars. So at the back here, there's a booklet here containing several sheets of vouchers or coupons that you can redeem. Okay, BDJ has a lot of partner establishments. Here's some of them. And then usually the planner also has a lifestyle card that gives you discounts also on several establishments. Unfortunately, though this planner did not include a lifestyle card, maybe because I did not purchase this planner. It was just given to me, which is unfortunate, but I've had previous experiences using the lifestyle card from previous years, and I found it really helpful. So there you go. That's what the BDJ planner for 2019 looks like. I think it's really pretty and girly girl. But if this is not your style, don't worry, because Belle de Jour has a whole line of different types of planners. There's even a navy planner, and then there's an everything is possible planner. So if you guys want to check out all the other planners under the Belle de Jour line, just go to their website, which is www.ilovebdj.com, or you can also check them out on Facebook or Instagram. So there you go. This is the limited edition 2019 Belle de Jour Power Planner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do click like if you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.